connect your printer to Polar Cloud on a web browser, go to polar3d.com and sign in. Once you're signed in, click on your icon on the top right corner and choose Cloud Account. Scroll down to the bottom and make note of your email/username and your PIN code. On your printer, make sure you're on Wi-Fi. So we'll go to Settings, Wi-Fi, Wi-Fi. Okay, I'm on Wi-Fi now. You can see the Wi-Fi symbol at the top. So we'll back up, and now I can tap on Polar. And I need to type in my account username and my PIN number that we just got from the Polar Cloud web page. Make sure to flip the switch and click Save, and you'll see that the Polar Cloud icon appears at the top of the screen.